Hi, so I'm sure that you've heard from Wayfair about their pay-per-click or sponsored search ad program. So one of my questions for you would be, are you concerned with how you can afford to do it? Hi, Josh Roberts. I'm with Rsg Sales, and we help home decor suppliers manage their e-commerce business with accounts like Wayfair, Home Depot, or Overstock. So the good news is you can work with a small budget, and there's not a maximum amount to do it. And there's a couple different ways in which you can utilize this program. The easiest way, and I think a very effective way, is just to use the sponsored search ad program that they offer, where it's just category driven and they run it for you. There's a new tool that's a targeted keyword search. So more specifically, this would target shoppers going after a specific item when they're going after it, like a blue rug, blue floral rug, or a blue crib. And there's also a new program, sponsored search shops, which I think is pretty unique. Say you're advertising storage cabinets and there's 6, 7 of them. So before you would have to run 6, 7 different items all differently. Now with the sponsored shops, you can combine them and what I think is get more bang for the buck, and they're also going to give you some room to do some merchandising and put some branding within that sponsored shop program. So if you have any questions about these programs and you would like to learn more, we'd love for you to contact Rsg Sales and click the link below and set up a call.